'cause you got stuck in my mind, stuck in my mind, stuck in my mind. I thought I'd give.
Okay, class, from here, you can basically start your design process. So what I would do is I would come over here in Canva and search for some things that I would like to have on my design. Because this is a square product, you could actually have a photo here. So I saw some students using, photos that they found on Google, and that is totally fine. So you can use your favorite LeBron James picture or your favorite Duke picture if you would. I'm a big Duke fan. Everyone knows that. So anyways, just look for things that you could possibly put here. But if you wanted to do a pattern, which is what a lot of people do, I'm going to start searching for something like that. So I have found the Duke brand guide. Typically, most brands like Nike, Adidas, schools that you may be following, they all have their own logos that they use. And so I want to find the crispest logo that I possibly can. So I'm going to look for their brand guides. And I have found that. So here I'm going to go to the download section, and here I can clearly see that they have the Duke logo that I can download. It tells me how I'm allowed to use it, and it also tells me the licensing requirements that are used for this particular logo. And then you'll also see the differences between the athletic logos, the university logos, and various other logos that the school may be using. Because I'm an athletic fan, I'm going to grab this D up here. That's the one that I'm going to use. So once I have found the logo that I want to use, I come over here in Canva and I upload that particular logo. And then now I can use it in Canva. Okay, so I'm going to resize it, make it smaller so I can tile it. Or basically for tiling, you're just copying the logo multiple times and creating different positions for it. So space that out. Notice how you'll start to see those guides come into play. And I'm zooming in and out by doing Control plus and Control minus to be able to do that. All right, and once I get one row set, I'm going to go ahead and grab all of those layers and I'm going to group them. So then now I can copy them as one piece. So here I hit copy and I hit paste again. To copy, remember you can do Control C. To paste, you can do Control V. All right. And I've just annoyed my son with my voice. So he shut my door. So anyways, there we go. All right. All right, so now once I get a couple rows set, I'm going to go ahead and group again because this is another time saving measure that you can do. Anytime you can group objects together, it's going to save you so much time as you move things around the page. So now I hit Control C and Control V again, and now I'm grabbing like multiple layers at the same time. Ooh, That makes it so much easier. Okay. All right, I'm just keep copying and pasting multiple times. Hold on. This one I didn't get quite right. Go. Go. Make sure that's positioned right. Yes. All right, now I've pretty much covered up the entire design. But I can zoom out and just double check if I want to. And then I can make sure that there is enough on here that, it's going to cover the entire piece that I'm trying to design. So let's just go ahead and do that real quick. Now I'm going to grab all of it. I'm going to group it one more time. Here we go. And then now I have a tiled background that I can use for my shower curtain. So have fun. This is how you make a pattern for a square object that you may create for Artscow.